Who invented science? Was it some toga-wearing genius with lightning in a bottle, or just a bunch of dudes arguing in the dirt? You're about to find out, and it's not what your high school textbook said. Stick around, because this gets weird, brilliant, tragic, and yes, just a little drunk. We're going back in time, and we're dragging science out of the lab and into the mess of real life. Science wasn't invented like a smartphone or a Pop-Tart. It evolved, slow, messy, rebellious. Picture a bunch of ancient humans staring at the stars, trying to figure out why the moon keeps following them. That's science, raw, human curiosity. But the first organized science, that's when things get spicy. Enter the Greeks. Thales of Miletus said, "Hey, maybe lightning isn't the wrath of Zeus, it's just nature." That was radical, dangerous even. He got laughed at. But it didn't stop him. Then came Pythagoras, yes, the triangle guy, who believed the universe was made of numbers. Wild. Wrong. Sort of. Brilliant? Definitely. They argued. They debated. They philosophized. But real science, the stuff that tests ideas, that says prove it or lose it, that wasn't Greek. That came later, with a guy who spent more time in jail than in a lab. Galileo Galilei, father of modern science. He looked through a telescope and saw craters on the moon. He dared to say, maybe Earth isn't the center of the universe. The church wasn't thrilled. They put him under house arrest for seeing too much truth. But did he stop? Nope. He whispered, and yet it moves. Science is rebellion, armed with evidence. Newton came next, but he was kind of a weirdo recluse obsessed with alchemy. Still, he gave us gravity. Then came the Enlightenment, and science went full beast mode. Chemistry, biology, electricity. Every breakthrough stood on the shoulders of centuries of failure, grit, and stubborn hope. Science isn't cold and robotic. It's emotional. It's flawed people chasing truth. Marie Curie burned her hands discovering radiation. Rosalind Franklin died before getting credit for DNA. Science is love, risk, heartbreak, and wonder. It's human all the way down. So who invented science? We did. Curious humans asking dangerous questions. If that lights a fire in your soul, smash that like button, subscribe for more wild stories, and tell us in the comments, what question do you want answered next? Because the future of science is you. Like, comment, subscribe, and never stop asking why.